In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change location on Gumtree. If you want to browse listings in a different area, update search results for another town or city, or simply make sure you're seeing items near the place you actually want to shop, changing your location on Gumtree is very quick and easy. I'll walk you through the process clearly, so you can do it in just a few moments. To begin, go to the Gumtree website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to look at the search area near the top of the page. This is where Gumtree lets you search for items, services, jobs, and other listings. And right beside the main search bar, you'll also see the current location setting. Next, click on the current location displayed beside the search bar. This is the field that controls which area Gumtree uses when showing results. If you've used the site before, it may already show a nearby town, city, or postcode-based area. Clicking there will allow you to update it. After that, remove the current location and type in the new location you want to. Make sure you enter the place carefully so Gumtree can recognize it correctly. This could be a city, town, or another supported area, depending on how the site is displaying location options. If suggestions appear while you type, it can help to choose the one that best matches the area you want. Once you've entered the new location, hit enter on your keyboard. Gumtree will then update the search area and refresh the results based on the location you just typed in. That means you should start seeing listings that are relevant to your newly selected area instead of the old one. If the page doesn't seem to update right away, give it a second to refresh. You can also double check that the new location is now showing beside the search bar, since that confirms the change was applied successfully. This is especially useful if you're searching in a busy region where many nearby places may have similar names. And that's all it takes to change your location on Gumtree. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in finding the right local listings faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.